Hey guys, thank you for joining me today. Make sure if you haven't seen the last video, watch it right now so you posted. Now the mochi turned out. See, it's not as bad. I put like a detail kind of there. Not really. I kind of dipped it in the black on accident. But now it's like dirt. So it cleaned off, but still has dirt on. That's just like background story. So like was playing in the mud and I tried to shower, but it didn't work. So I made it a bunny from this point of view and a mochi from this point of view. It's actually really cool. I actually like it that way. And then I just fixed the bottom of it. So it's not dry. I think it's gonna take like maybe a day, maybe a few hours to get through. It's already, but let me check. Yeah, it's probably gonna take like a day or two or an hour, some things like that. But that's how it turned out. So, if you guys like it, comment, subscribe so you see the next one, and ring that bell so you get notifications on the next Squishy Out. Okay, bye.